How to whitelist an email address in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you're in the website, sign into your Zoho Mail account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to whitelist an email address, you need to go to the settings. If you cannot see the settings option, you can turn on the desktop site mode in your browser. Once you do that, in the top right corner over here, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. Now scroll down, and here you can see the anti-spam option, tap on it. In this page, you can see this email address section. Here you will find this allow list and block list emails. In the left hand side, you can see the allow list, whereas in the right hand side, you can see the block list section. So in order to whitelist an email address, if you have added any email address to the block list, you can remove it first. You can simply mark the email address from the block list and tap on delete. Now it has been removed from the block list. You can add your preferred email address to the allow list too. So that's how you can easily whitelist an email address in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.